Hey everyone, I want to quickly talk about creativity because often I receive this kind of questions like how to overcome artists' blocks, how to get unstuck as an artist. And we all found out, if you're an artist, if you're a creative being, you found out that you're the odd one, you can't fit in. It's because you're here to always walk a different path and then find what you've learned there and use it as a source of inspiration. Doesn't matter if it sucks, if it's depressing, or if it's a joyful experience, you learn something there, and that's what you're sharing through your work. So the thing with being stuck is that we start doing what everybody else is doing. We get ourselves into these habitual patterns like everybody else is doing, and that's what gets us stuck. So we lose creativity. We start to think like, oh, it's already been done, everybody is doing that. Yeah, of course everybody is doing that if you're walking the path that was walked before by too many people. So you've come here to pave your own path, you pave your own way, and that will inspire you. Doesn't matter if truly it is a joyful experience or you will move through many dark nights of the soul, painful sensations and not knowing what to do. It all can be used in your creative endeavor, right? So to unstuck yourself, you need refreshment in your life. You need to decide to do something differently, to make a change in your life, to wake up and do things differently you've been doing before, and it will help you to get a new perspective over your life or your present situation, and eventually you will start to see the missing link you couldn't solve before, of course, because you couldn't think outside of the previous box. So it's kind of like stepping outside of the box and then looking into the box and being inspired by the box, because it made you feeling so stuck. So you kind of learn from your own mistakes, and you use your own mistakes as a source of inspiration for your future work. That's how I look on creativity, on art, on everything I do, and I think it helps me a lot, because every single day, if I'm reflecting on what I think I've done wrong, I can learn something good there. So much love.